Hi guys, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Hey, I haven't seen you guys since last year. Did you miss me? I missed you. So, I wanted to come on today and just talk about the tax question. I get this question a lot. Like, how many tax codes are there and how can they all help me? Well, there are 70,000 pages of tax codes, and if I start running off tax codes, you guys would probably fall asleep. So I put together the most popular questions I had for 2022. Hopefully, it'll be helpful for you for 2023 as you step into the new year as the master of your business slash mastermind, right? So, one of the questions is, how does my legal structure uh, affect my taxes? So your legal structure does affect your taxes. It affects your taxes in a big way because if you are a LLC or a S corp or a sole proprietor, you are taxed at the individual tax bracket, which is the 7 tax brackets. So it's based on your net income for those how you fall into that tax bracket. The other question is, how long should I keep my tax records? So if you are a individuals, it's suggested that you should keep them for at least 3 years. But I say keep your tax records for as long as you possibly can, so you can scan them. We have electronics now that you can scan the originals with all your backup and put them in a safe place and shred the originals, or you could store them away in storage somewhere, but scanning is probably the best way. Let's say payroll documents, they're suggested that you keep them for at least 4 years. So as a business owner, you should have that on file in your system for at least 4 years. But I would say keep your documents for as long as you possibly have storage for. And pack right here telling you to keep it forever, right? Okay, so the other popular question I got is, should I purchase an accountant software? Well, that's up to you and your accountant. So we have software here that we use to help our clients to get their accountant accurately recorded, and we have clients who have their own software. So it depends on what you're most comfortable with and how you feel that it's best for you and your accountant to keep records. Number two is, should I hire a accountant or tax professional? Absolutely, you should. That could save you so much money in taxes. Let me tell you how. I had a client who made over $200,000. He was an excellent income generator, but he had a terrible time keeping records. He had generated so much expenses generating his income. He had no idea that he could save a lot of money in taxes. So, being that he was just a generator, he brought up, I made this much in income. And I sat with him and said, okay, well, how much did it cost you to generate this income? And it was like, what are you talking about? So, yes, if I had filed his taxes just on the $200,000 that he generated, his taxes would have been really, really high. So, being that he had a lot of expenses, we were able to save a lot of money on his taxes, and he actually went down almost maybe 2 brackets. I think, yeah, about 2 brackets in tax liabilities. So it's very important that you have an accountant who can work with you and strategize with you and help you to pay the right amount of taxes. Well, I hope this was helpful to you. I guess I'll talk to you soon as the year come by. And if you want me to dive in deep about any other questions, make sure you give me a call. Oh, yeah.